welcome to Rev Sports. I'm Gargi Raut and I'm here outside of the Kia Oval for what is the last time that I'm doing this weather update in this series. The series has been so incredibly good, you don't want it to come to an end. And what a day India has had yesterday. If at the beginning of the day you told me that Akashdeep would go on to score 67 runs and stitch a 90 plus run partnership with the Yashasvi Jaiswal, bat out the entire session, and then you tell me that Washington Sundar would come in and go gung-ho and get a half century, that would be such an important cameo for the Indian team, getting a total of 375, I would not have believed you. And then of course Mohammad Siraj in that last over getting Zach Crawley with that incredible yorker that he bowled. Some amazing drama, some amazing cinema that we witnessed on the penultimate day of the final test. Now let's talk about weather. Finally getting to the weather, the weather will be in favor of India. Now in the beginning of the day till about the afternoon, less than 5% chance of precipitation. But after that post-lunch session, there is a 50 to 60% chance of precipitation. It starts from 30, then goes up to 40, 50 and then 60. In that post-lunch session, it starts at around 12 p.m. and then goes up till 4 or 5 p.m. Now, don't count on rain, because now you look at it, the ball is 14 overs old. Yes, 13.5 overs. It's still new. There's still a lot of purchase that you're getting from the wicket. Akashdeep will run in, Prasidh Krishna will run in, Mohammad Siraj will run in. They will get that movement. They will get assistance out of the pitch. But what is important here is the fact that there might be overcast conditions from the very beginning of the day. Now, if you have chances of precipitation starting from 12 p.m. in the afternoon, you might just see overcast conditions when the game actually starts. Don't be counting on rain, because you don't actually want rain, because that will hamper the ball. That will hamper the new ball. You don't want the ball to get wet, but at the same time, you want those overcast conditions. And if you have that first hour becomes that much more important again. Zach Crawley is back in the pavilion, but Ben Duckett is still there. You know he holds key to England. There's a lot of runs on the scoreboard. There's obviously scoreboard pressure on England, on the England batters right now. And if you add to that overcast conditions, a 13.5 over ball, it's game on. It's advantage India at this point. Even if it does rain, I don't think there's going to be a lot of rain. The prediction could just change. I have seen the Met Department app, the London Met Department app, and it says that there is a 40 to 50% chance of precipitation, but it has been wrong before. Apart from that, the thing that you want to be wishing as an Indian fan, you want those overcast conditions to come in. And if that happens, advantage India. And for the final time, there is a lot riding on this final day. Shubman Gill, a captain who got so much flack, so much criticism, everyone saying that it was Gigi's or Gautam Gambhir's favoritism that got him that leadership position, saying that he can't perform in Sena countries, a team that was essentially written off before they even played together. And now you're standing at the edge of the series, at the edge of 2-2. Can this be, the kind of series that launches Shubman Gill as the captain, or will we go back to a possible 3-1? Let's see. Right now, it looks like India is in the driver's seat, and I would say, if I were to predict, I would say it's 80% chance, 80-20 in favor of India. See you soon.